I knew old man. Like,
But what makes you say that?
Odd.
Huh?
I feel like I'm really the odd one out here.
no, no, we can be very. I can be very.
I know
This is how I see them. Try to see them. Ah!
you're on social media. You're very brilliant. Like, you have no reserves.
Me?
Why are you doing that?
No barriers, no.
What? Do I need to have barriers?
She's so right though. I actually tone it down now. Anyone I actually tone it down. I was some people don't like it so much. I don't know. Sometimes I'll talk to someone and say, you're the first person I spoke to. That's all. I will have a sort of feel private chat and tell me about myself. Just have a conversation. Let's do it, right? Let's do it.
No, not yet. Okay, let's just go, shall we?
I used to have my thing with me, but I've left it at home. I want to sell it. Sell it second-hand, and then buy a new one. Or there's a guy who upscales your bike, change the handlebars, everything looks really funky, very temperature, very tight. Looks really nice.
Why do you want to change it in the first place?
Oh my god, when are we gonna go?
Yeah, still about 6 years, about 5 years.
Still a mountain bike?
Yeah, I'll probably still get a mountain one. I'll road one maybe. I want to get a foldable one so I can put it in the car and go to like some forests somewhere and cycle all the road.
They look great, but it looks like it's very cool to cycle.
Which one? Yeah, but
Ah, wait. Don't go, Ollie.
Don't be in the middle of the road!
Ah, you're scaring me.
Go to the left! Go left!
I can't, I'm fine.
No! The middle is the car.
But there's no car here. And look at this bicycle sign. Ollie, slow down.
Change the gear 3 when you go faster.
I am on gear 3.
yeah, go on. I'll
Smile.
Don't be
Mira.
in the middle!
Ah. Where's Harula? You guys want to go to Limehouse or straight? Limehouse or straight? Yeah. You feel like a curry?
Let's go get some food.
Oh, you mean you want to have a curry?
Yeah, let's have
I
one.
don't-
I don't feel like a curry. I feel like a chicken burger. I feel like a chicken tikka. Let's have some curry. Let's go back to yours. And
Ew.
food. What?
Yeah, we can go to mine. That's not an issue, but I don't want to have a curry.
Are you videoing me? Then we can order it in.
Who's
I want curry. I feel like a curry. I feel like a chicken tikka.
He's a vegan.
We'll get a vegetable curry.
Ew.
No, but for her, for us we don't meat.
I don't want a
Oh, you
curry.
don't want curry?
No.
What is that actually?
Bradford.
UK, thank you very much. No.
Specifically,
Okay, let's bicycle. Cycle around and then you ask. But we're not, if you want a curry, there's a curry place there. You can get, but I don't want a curry.
Alright, well when we're on our way back, let me know, then we just think about food. Either order it, or we'll pick some food up. Or... Are you up for food? Let me ask you the question. Are you up for food?
No.
No, you're not. Are you up for food?
I'm hungry.
She's hungry, so we'll get food and she can really watch us eat. Yeah, come on.
Ali,
Yeehaw!
stay behind me if you want to become a celebrity. Yeah? Okay?
I'm a celebrity, get me out of here.
Okay. I can see you under my armpit. Where are you? Ah.
She's got a sweaty armpit.
No, actually, I don't. I haven't cycled in a year.
You haven't cycled in a year?
Well, not a year, less than a year, but like in summer last year.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot how much fun it is.
It's nice, isn't it? Especially when the weather's nice. When the weather's nice, it's good.
I'm going to be doing this almost every day. What did you say? Up to you. Yeah, straight. Less traffic. But if you wanna race, it'll be the other way. Thank you.
Welcome to US.
Absolutely no.
I know. I've been here. I live here. Wow. The view. Amazing, isn't it? So Ollie's going to be taking a photo for his future wife. Right, Ollie?
Yep. This is Max. And Linda. And then Kinder.
Yeah. Look at the bar. Yeah, what's everything that's done?
Oh my god, look at the colors. Can you see in that building that the tilted one?